Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I place the cam position sensor on your 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris sedan, Belta, or Vios models. So, this is the part number 90919-05024. For this, I say take out the battery. That way you have enough space in here, because the cam position sensor is right there. So you want to take out the battery. All you need is a 10 mil with an extension. So to give yourself enough space, just take out the crank vent hose out your way, and then it's right here. So all you want to do is squeeze your hands between the fuel rail and the engine wiring harness, press down, and then boom, comes right up. Now the 10 mil bolt, let's see if I can get this in. Alright, so the 10 mil bolt is right there. Crap. Drop my ratchet, hold on. Alright. So, no, the light went off. Alright, there you go. So, I'm trying to give you guys the best possible angle. So, where you see the ratchet at, that's the 10 mil bolt. Hold on. I only use two hands to break it loose real quick. Give me a sec. Alright, once you break it loose, like I always say, just break it loose and then undo it by hand. That way you ain't damaging no threads and none of that. You want to do this when the car is cool. You do not want to do this while it's hot. I'm not sure how long this bolt is, so I'm trying to be careful not to drop it. And then you just wiggle it. My hand is big, so it's kind of difficult for me. As you can see. I might need something. I might need some pliers. My hand's too big for this. Hold on. Hold on. Let me try using two hands. I'm still trying to get it out. Alright. There you go. So that's the old one. That's 10 years worth. No, 11 years worth. So. Now I'll get the new one. Tell the difference. And make sure you get genuine ones. Let's try to get this to focus. Let me turn the flash off real quick. Then it still can't focus. There you go. Genuine ones will have the Toyota part number, all that engraved into it. So now all you do, pop the new one in. Now get your bolt. And just put it back. And be careful not to drop the bolt. I'm not even sure if the hole's lined up or not. I'm just trying to feel. Yeah, I got it lined up. And then just tighten it. Oh, this hole's in the way. Alright. Let's tighten it back. I'm doing it by hand. And then tighten it. I'll make sure. Sorry, I don't know what happened. The camera cut off. Alright, so make sure it's hand tightened. And then just reconnect it. You'll hear a click. And I'll show the camera pick that up. Then reconnect the crank hose. That's so. And then just reconnect your battery. So that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one. Peace.